Wait, where are you?
Come on.
Where are you now?
Right here.
Dito kami ngayon sa Butterfield Acres Farmyard,
Yes, in
Northwest Calgary,
Rocky Ridge.
sa
Rocky
may
Ridge.
Rocky Ridge. Yeah. Papasyal namin si Rever.
Yeah, they have the Farmyard Baby Fest today.
Yes.
This is the last day. Merong mga demo ng sheep shearing.
Okay. Are you gonna see the animals?
Yeah.
The farm?
Yeah.
Yeah? Rever, come. Come on. Yeah. What's that? Rever, what is that? What's that?
Sheep.
Huh?
It's a sheep.
Sheep?
Let's go picture.
Over there.
That's a peacock.
Yo, there's more.
Yeah, what's that?
Yeah.
What's that one?
Over there. Go.
Rever, wait. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi, Ivan.
Ito nga, yung price. Yeah. Rever. Where? Where are you going?
You, it's a duck.
It's a duck. Where? Go, there's a goat over there. Come. Come. Oh, okay. Go, pet. Pet the goat. Slowly lang. Do you touch the goat? Yeah, it's sleeping. Yeah, this one is eating. See?
It's happy.
Yeah, it's happy.
Wake up.
Slowly. Slowly. Yeah, oh.
Hi. You be so. You.
Yeah, this one, oh. This one. Go inside. Go inside. Hawak mo siya, babe. Look, it's a chicks.
Ikaw alam mo yan, di ba?
Look. Look, rubber.
I'm gonna get it.
What's that? What is that? What's that? It's a baby chicken? What do you want? What's that?
Yeah, one time. Oh, look, River, look at the piggy. Stay here and wait.
She said, so it's not just me, like, I've always had Mason all to myself. My mom's here. Hold on.
Hi!
Sen hiç oraya gittin mi? Başkalarını gördün mü oraya gittiğini?
Ever? Say hi.
You can park his phone.
It's okay. It's a goat.
Very friendly, yeah. They're just chilling.
Ever. Ever.
Pwede hawakan. Gusto ko siya hawakan.
Oh, ano?
Section.
Yeah. What's that? Yan, hawakan ko. Kinakain niya yung ano ko. Yung... ah! Ever, careful ah.
Baka mataihan ka na.
Robert, what's that? What is that?
Over here.
It's a, what's that? It's a moo. Ever, look at this one. Oh, careful. What's that?
Yeah.
Trevor, say hi. Ride the tractor. Say hi, where are you now? Huh? Are you riding the tractor? Let's go. What are those ones? Very big ones. Trevor, what is that? What is that? That's Trevor. Bunny? Yeah, yeah, pwede doon sa kabila. Let's go. It's okay, it's the food. It's their food. Good touch.
Come on. Bunny, come. Hey.
No, you can touch the head. You can pet the head. Go. Pet the head of the bunny like this. Like this, oh. Like that. Like that.
Siding here.
Siding. You can touch it. Go. Oh no, it's hiding. It's over here.
Here,
Here.
there's a black one here. Come this way, Anna. There's a car.